Want to sew a cute heart-shaped girl's apron at home? In this easy DIY sewing tutorial for beginners, I'll show you step-by-step how to make a beautiful kid's apron, from measuring and cutting the fabric to sewing and the final finish. This fun beginner sewing project is perfect for little girls, handmade gifts, or everyday use. Let's get started. First, cut 2 neck straps, 2 back waist ties, and 2 front waistbands using the measurements shown on the screen. This easy DIY apron sewing tutorial is beginner-friendly. Continue with the neck strap and back waist ties. To create a neat pointed end, measure 3/4 inch wide and 2 3/4 inches long, then trim along the marked line. This simple step gives your handmade apron a polished, professional finish. Now, sew along both long edges of each strap, leaving the end open for turning. Turn each piece right side out, then press well with an iron for crisp, smooth edges. Your apron neck strap and waist ties are now finished and ready to attach in the next step of this easy apron sewing project. Pin 1 back waist tie to each side of the front waist piece, with right sides facing together and sew. Turn the waistband right side out and press it well. Your waistband is now ready to attach to the apron bodice and skirt later. For this 3-year-old girl's apron, cut 2 identical bodice pieces. I'm making a cute heart-shaped apron, but you can customize the shape and size to fit you. This easy DIY sewing project is perfect for beginners. Enjoying this sewing tutorial so far? Please like this video and subscribe to support my sewing channel. Thank you so much. Finally, pin and sew a lace trim around the heart-shaped kid's apron bodice. This step is optional, but it gives your DIY apron a beautiful, professional finish. Your apron bodice is now ready for last step. For the DIY kids apron skirt, measure and cut the fabric using the measurements shown on the screen. Double fold and sew the bottom hem and both side edges for a clean finish. Next, sew 2 rows of gathering stitches along the top edge and gently gather the fabric to fit the front waistband. This beginner-friendly sewing technique creates a beautiful, full apron skirt. Next, prepare the fabric gathers by sewing 2 loose gathering stitches along the top edge. Gently pull the threads and evenly gather the fabric until it matches the width of the front waistband. This simple sewing technique creates beautiful, even gathers for a professional finish. Next, prepare the decorative apron skirt panel. Round both bottom corners and sew a zigzag stitch along the sides and bottom edge for a clean finish. Then sew lace trim over the zigzag stitching. After that, sew 2 loose gathering stitches along the top edge and gently gather the fabric until evenly rufflesty. Your decorative apron skirt is now ready for the final assembly step. Now, mark the strap placement on the bodice, insert the neck straps, and sew them securely in place. Make sure both straps are evenly aligned and firmly attached for a strong, professional finish. Now, mark the center points on the bodice and waistband. Carefully align the center marks, then pin and sew the bottom edge of the bodice to the waistband. Keeping the centers aligned ensures a perfectly centered fit and a professional finish for your DIY apron sewing project. Lastly, take your time to align all the layers. Pin the main apron skirt and the decorative ruffle to the waistband, making sure the gathers are evenly distributed. Sew all layers together securely. Your beautiful DIY kids apron is now complete and ready to wear. Thank you so much for watching this DIY kids apron sewing tutorial until the end. If you found this beginner sewing tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more easy sewing projects, kids clothing tutorials, and DIY sewing ideas. If you have any questions or need help with any step, leave a comment below. I'd be happy to help. Happy sewing, and see you in the next tutorial.